हाँ है, बैग में बैग में बैग में। बैग में बैग में।
Really good to see you.
Thank you so
A new
much.
store, a new place. What are you
Yes.
expecting from this place?
Okay, so I'm gonna expect lots of nice dresses, like because this is summer, so the collection is quite flowery, nice, comfortable, and all. So I'm like too excited to see what they have.
So what are the three things you look into whenever you go outing, especially to buy something for yourself?
Uh, for me, it's mostly the comfort. If you see my pictures on social media, on Insta, on Twitter, on Facebook or something, you will find me wearing all comfortable clothes. I mean, I don't just run behind the fashion. I wear what suits my body, kind of thing. Like today, I'm wearing this flowery dress from Flowey, and I just wanted to give it a little boho look, so I just team up with this jewelry.
Okay, the person for whom you are here.
Uh, this is Aparna, I believe. Right? Yes, Aparna. Right.
Okay, what happened in professional fund?
Okay, so there is a very, very interesting film I have done from Saregama, and most of the people, they have heard about Udli films. So Udli is, they have produced Aji and Onir Sir ki Kuch Bhige Alfaz. So my film is Abhi and Onu is the third film from them, and it's going to release hopefully in March.
You can throw some light on the character of the thing.
Not exactly, because this is something. No, it's not too early. Film is done. It's ready to release. But the thing is, generally, if I tell about my character, I only can say it's like very happy and all, full of energy, bubbly and this that. But the thing is, the twist in the film is something which nobody has ever done in Bollywood or in South. And my film is in two languages, in Tamil and Malayalam, and we're gonna remake in Hindi also. So.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So I'm basically wearing a black and orange kurta, which is very trendy. It is Indian, but yet it is very trendy, and I'm really loving it. I love the feel of the cloth, and it is very comfortable. And I love the color and love the design, and I just love wearing it.
In real life, which kind of fashion you follow, and summer season is going on, so any tips you would like to give to audience?
For me, fashion is something you should be comfortable with. Even if you're wearing a bikini, you should be comfortable. Even if you're wearing a sari, you gotta be very comfortable in your skin. And yeah, I just love all the colors. It's nothing like that. I stick to one particular color. I'm good with any of the colors.
Which three things you
Yeah.
which three things you look into any brands when you associate with any brands?
First of all, the feel, the texture of the cloth. Then if I'm comfortable or not, and if the size fits me or not, and of course the feel and how do I feel after wearing the cloth. And because it's summer right now, I love wearing those flowery thing. I can see some orange and black is like on fire. So it's summer, yet I'm on fire.
Any upcoming project you would like to share with us?
2 दिन पहले ही मैंने अभी शक्ति छोड़ा है, 2 दिन पहले ही मैं फ्री हुई हूँ. So now let's see क्या आता है next. I'm producing my music videos, so as of now it's only that. Otherwise कुछ भी होगा तो I'll update you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
back again. Pardon? I love the fact that everything just is such a relaxed vibe, especially on a Sunday. You don't want anything too intense. So I'm just happy that it kind of lives up to my expectations of being just like breezy and calm and very relaxed and chilled. And the weather's quite nice.
Do you love wearing Indian wear?
Yes, I do love wearing Indian wear. It's very kind of like breezy, it's very light, it's perfect for this kind of weather. And you can dress it up or you can dress it down. So yes, I do love wearing Indian wear.
Okay, what are the things you look into, whenever you go out to buy something for yourself, especially the clothes, especially in summer?
So what I look for is something that's comfortable. I don't pay attention to the size of an outfit. I think it's best to just to wear something that you feel comfortable in. Don't care if something's like a size large or a size medium. Sometimes I always get like a medium or a large so it can be oversized, so it can hang better. And it's sad that, people, especially women, feel like pressurized to be a certain size. You should just think more about your comfort and kind of what style and what kind of thing you want to embrace.
Okay, what happened on professional end?
Pardon?
What happened on professional front?
So I've just started filming a new series with Sony. The press release will be coming next week. And I'm heading back out to Bangalore to carry on filming this week. So,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Really good to see you. What are the things you look into when you go out to buy clothes for yourself? The summer is always started.
See, it has to be cotton, it has to be very easy to wear, flowy, and I think flowery fashion has all of that in it, which kind of sums it up. For your summer, that's the kind of fashion you want to have. It's comfortable, at the same time it's so stylish. The drapes are very pretty, it has tie and dye happening, it has all those things. That's something I look for when I'm looking to buy something.
Okay, what is your fashion mantra? What do you think fashion is?
It's I'm going to contradict myself completely that people say that fashion is it has to be comfortable. I'm someone who believes that fashion is not easy, and if it was so easy, everyone will be fashionable. So sometimes you have to be uncomfortable to be able to look. I mean, the drape will be uncomfortable, something will be uncomfortable, but it will make you look the way it will make you look, and you have to take that extra step to feel a bit uncomfortable, but then you get comfortable in it. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Really, it's like I said, that's very honest answer, I would say.
Yeah, so sometimes I want to wear, come on, heels are not comfortable, but we wear heels because it makes us look that way, the way it makes us look. So,
Okay, what happened on professional front?
sorry?
What happened on professional front?
I've just finished Hakse with Alt Balaji, which was directed by Ken Ghosh, and now I'm doing a new web show for Times, which is directed by Shashanka Ghosh. So 2 Ghoshes in my life this year, and I'm very excited for the Times web show. So yeah.
Okay, do you think the digital, cinema, because of digital cinema, everything is changing in terms of the audience, or even the film critic, everything is changing? The art started a new journey by giving award to the people who are part of it.
I won an award anyway, but I want to say that it's such a great platform. Because of digital platform, employment rate has gone to another level. Everyone is working. It's a great space for independent filmmakers. It's a great space for independent writers, actors like us, because in movies it's very difficult. Nowadays we don't get million views instantly or million people going and watching a movie, but when you put something on a digital platform, you instantly have 1 million people watching your content. So that's a great space. Alt Balaji is one space where I love Ekta ma'am. Ekta ma'am had said this one thing that there is Netflix, there is Amazon, but there is something for Hindi speaking audience. Where is the original content for Hindi speaking or Hindi kind of audience? So that is Alt Balaji. They have original Hindi content, and I think they are doing great, and now they have awards. So people like us and we actors thrive on awards and rewards. So it's great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
फैशन को फॉलो करती है आप और समर सीजन चल रहा है, कितना मतलब फैशन को लेकर कितनी कॉन्शियस होती है आप?
ऑफकोर्स समर चल रहा है इस टाइम, तो हर कोई इंसान जो चाहता है कि बहुत कंफर्टेबल ड्रेस पहनना और बहुत नॉट टू मच कलर, बहुत लाइट कलर एंड सी नाउ आई एम वेयरिंग लाइक इट्स कॉटन एक्चुअली एंड इट्स सो कंफर्टेबल। मतलब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने कुछ पहना ही नहीं है बिकॉज इट्स वेरी लाइक स्मूथ एंड वेरी लाइक कंफर्टेबल। सो बहुत ही अच्छा है एंड खासकर आप देख सकते हैं इसका डिज़ाइन बहुत ही अमेजिंग है। लाइक मतलब इतना यूनिक लग रहा है कि यू कैन वेयर लाइक पार्टी और आप नॉर्मल कैजुअल वेयर में भी आप इसको पहन सकते हो। इट्स वेरी गुड।
इसके अलावा क्या 3 चीज़ें देखी आप किसी भी ब्रांड के साथ एसोसिएट होने से पहले?
कंफर्ट फर्स्ट, कंफर्ट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्योंकि वो नहीं होगा तो बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट होगा। और सी डिज़ाइन तो हर एक इंसान अलग अलग डिज़ाइन करता है, बट मैं कभी भी किसी कंपनी के साथ या किसी ब्रांड के साथ जुड़ूँगी तो ऑफकोर्स मैं देखूँगी कि उनका करने का लाइक डिज़ाइनिंग का क्या तरीका है। समटाइम बहुत लोग बहुत अजीब तरीके से चीज़ें बनाते हैं बट वो बहुत अनकम्फर्टेबल होता है कि आप वेयर करना सो नॉर्मल लाइफ में। और दूसरी चीज़ की एक बिकॉज मैं एक एक्ट्रेस हूँ बट एक नॉर्मल लाइफ में एक नॉर्मल इंसान हूँ, तो मैं जब भी कभी भी कुछ ऐसा वेयर करूँ तो मेरे लिए ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल होना चाहिए, नॉट कि अनकम्फर्टेबल फील करूँ वेयर करने में। तो ये 3 चीज़ तो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है।
और प्रोफेशनल फ्रंट में क्या हो रहा है आपको?
अपकमिंग जो है मैं फ़िल्म कर रही हूँ, एक हॉरर फिल्म कर रही हूँ और इनफैक्ट अभी मैं डे नाइट शूट करके ही आई हूँ यहाँ पे, इसलिए मैं लेट भी हो गई हूँ। और बस बहुत ही जल्द आप मुझे स्क्रीन पे देखने वाले हैं और कहीं ना कहीं मरीना कुंवर इस बार आप लोगों को डराएगी, तो जस्ट बी रेडी। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
Just look here, ma'am.
Thank you so much. So thank you very much, and I would like to compliment this brand Flari for making such lovely summery outfits. तो अभी समर आ गया है तो आई थिंक इन समर्स cotton is the best, our best friend, right? Because it just feels so light and just so wearable. And so this is in cotton, so I'm feeling light and nice, and I can really spend the whole day in this. So yeah, I like something light and nice, and I like these little checkered kind of prints. तो इससे एक कैरेक्टर आता है।
क्या 3 चीज़ें फॉलो करती है आप जब किसी भी ब्रांड को अपने साथ एसोसिएट करती है, और जब आप शॉपिंग करने निकलती है क्या 3 चीज़ें देखती है?
एक तो इट शुड सूट माई पर्सनैलिटी, मतलब मेरी पर्सनैलिटी के साथ वो मैच कर जाना चाहिए। आई लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ कलर बिकॉज आई एम अ ब्राइट पर्सन, और मैं म्यूजिशियन हूँ, मैं आर्टिस्ट हूँ, तो आर्टिस्ट हमेशा ब्राइट कपड़े पहन के परफॉर्म करते हैं। सो या आई लाइक टू डू दैट। एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज दैट इट शुड बी अ वेरी ड्यूरेबल cloth. So cotton is always very durable, so I think this really agrees with me. So 3 cheers to Flari.
Right, any upcoming project you would like to share with us?
So अभी मेरा एक न्यू सॉन्ग आया है रांझन, विच इज़ अ कोलैबोरेशन विद मी एंड ऑर्को प्रावो मुखर्जी। प्लीज़ जाके देखिए ऑनलाइन, जी म्यूजिक ओरिजिनल्स का ये ट्रैक है और ऑलरेडी इट्स क्रॉस 2 मिलियन व्यूज़। उसके पहले मेरा सॉन्ग आया था अभी वाना बी फ्री फीचरिंग रिचा चड्डा, एंड दैट्स ऑल्सो डन रियली वेल ऑन द एडिक्शन ऑफ सोशल मीडिया इनफैक्ट। और अब मैं एक कॉज ओरिएंटेड फिल्म है जिसके लिए मैंने एक गाना गाया है, एक बॉलीवुड फिल्म है। फिल्म का नाम अभी मैं नहीं बोल सकती, लेकिन मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ उस गाने को लेके। इन जून द फिल्म इज़ रिलीजिंग, सो प्लीज़ वॉच आउट फॉर दिस स्पेस। थैंक यू।
I'll just take it forward. Even how come you are here? There must be a reason behind it.
नो ऐसी बात नहीं है, आई डू गो टू इवेंट्स, बट असल में वक्त नहीं मिल पाता बिकॉज मैं आई एम वेरी बिजी परफॉर्मिंग। सो स्पेशली जो मंथ ऑफ हमारे जो दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च तक बहुत ही सीजन टाइम इज़ वेरी वेरी पीक सीजन टाइम फॉर अस, सो दैट्स व्हाई you don't get to see me.
क्या खास लगा इसको आपको इस जगह पे, स्टोर पे? You know, it's all about summer.
Yeah. Especially the material, it's cotton, it's durable, it's wearable, it's very light. So summer में तो obviously you need something which is light and durable. And yeah, I love the print, I love the cut. It's very me. So yeah, I'm going to really. It just suits my personality so much.
Okay, what happening on professional front?
So well, 2 back-to-back songs have come. They've been a huge success. अभी मार्च में ही मेरा एक गाना आया है रांझण. इट्स अ कोलैबोरेशन विद ऑर्को प्रावो मुखर्जी जिन्होंने बहुत सारे हिट सॉन्ग्स दिए हैं जैसे कि तेरे संग यारा वगैरह. और ये जी म्यूज़िक ओरिजिनल का एक बहुत बढ़िया प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे ओरिजिनल म्यूज़िक को प्रमोट किया जा रहा है. इसी के पहले फरवरी में मेरा गाना आया था विद रिचा चड्डा द एक्टर कॉल्ड वाना बी फ्री. ये सोशल मीडिया की एडिक्शन को लेकर एक मैसेज था इस गाने में. So after 2 back-to-back songs, I've just recorded a new Bollywood film song, which is going to be released really soon.
Okay, if you can throw some more light on the Bollywood song.
I
Or
can't
too
tell
early
you.
to talk about.
I'm not allowed to reveal the film because I'm sure there will be a proper poster release and all of that. But I'm really excited that अब 2 गाने के एकदम बाद third song भी आने वाला है बहुत जल्द.
Okay, the last one, Irfan Khan is not feeling well.
Yes.
What do you say about that?
सो इरफान खान की एक फिल्म थी दुबई रिटर्न जो अभी तक रिलीज़ नहीं हुई. उसमें भी मैंने गाना गाया है. एंड आई गॉट टू नो हिम दैट टाइम बिकॉज वो उस फिल्म का म्यूज़िक और उसकी प्रमोशंस के लिए हम लोग इफ़ी में गए थे गोवा में. तो तब मुझे इरफान खान जी से बात करने में और आई गॉट टू नो हिम एंड आई थिंक ही इज़ an extremely he's an iconic person. I mean, not just as an actor but as a personality. He's intelligent, intellectual and extremely kind and good fun to be with क्योंकि हम लोगों ने बहुत सारा टाइम बिताया था साथ में फिल्म को प्रमोट करने के लिए उस समय. आई रियली विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट एंड आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट कोई भी anybody who falls ill should definitely go for some Ayurvedic treatment also because Ayurvedic treatment से बहुत फ़ायदा मिलता है. बिकॉज मुझे खुद को I had a very bad case of congestion and I was almost getting into an asthmatic situation. So मुझे आयुर्वेदिक से बहुत relief मिला है. So I really hope that he'll be out of this and my prayers and wishes to him always.
Thank you so much.
Look here. Look here. Okay.
Because I like what I'm wearing. I like the collection, and I would like to promote something that I personally love. So that's why I'm here.
What are the few things you look into whenever you associate yourself with any brand or any product?
It has to be very comfortable. Comfort first. Second thing, the style has to be something that is very casual. I don't like मुझे ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पसंद जो सिर्फ मैं पहन सकूँ और दूसरे ना पहन सकें. And the third thing that I love seeing in the cloth is the material. So I love what I'm wearing right now. This is a cotton. This is designed by Amrita Rao, and I love the fact that it's so simple and still beautiful. So.
क्या कभी ऐसा होता है because of fashion आज कपड़े को जाते हैं यानी wearing a high
course. कब ऐसा नहीं होता.
How difficult it is easy to carry such things and to be presentable, to be in fashion, but still.
See, I feel uncomfortable. I feel आज काफ़ी सारे लोग हो जाते हैं, सिर्फ हम ही नहीं, आम जनता भी कई बार अनकंफर्टेबल हो जाती है जब लड़कियाँ पार्टीज़ में जाती हैं कुछ, then you wearing heels, फिर आप डांस कर रहे हो, and then you're not very comfortable with them. But apart from that, I feel it's a personal choice. What you give a priority to. So, yeah.
Apart from your show, what else? Then what happened?
Apart from my show, I am work-wise, it's just the show, and otherwise I'm just enjoying my life, taking trips, vacations, and enjoying. That's it.
Okay, do you agree with this? Art also started a digital platform, and
Yes.
people are getting awarded for their work. Web series, it's a good start.
I feel it's brilliant. I mean, अगर हम comparatively देखा जाए तो जैसे अभी Netflix has suddenly come in, and Netflix has become so popular today, and people have now started watching Netflix than watching TV serials, because TV serials वो है but वो एक अलग लोगों को cater करती है. I am very happy that Alt Balaji has taken this step and has come out with an app also and their own beautiful shows. Some of them are very beautiful, and this is the next thing. It's the future.
Thank you so much.
A pleasure.
दोनों साथ में एक मिनट
मीडिया इट्स ओके, यू कैन कट. At least loud music. ये खंबा बीच में आगे जाओ ना.
Yes, by Amrita Rao. Yeah. Well, ये सब कपड़े जो मैंने पहना हुआ है, and I'm sure जो यहाँ पे टंग भी रहे, ये सब बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट कॉटन के हैं और कंफर्टेबल भी उतने ही हैं, and they're very summery. I feel for the weather, it's perfect.
Okay, can you tell us something about the collection, the unique thing about the collection?
I feel the uniqueness of every pattern, every design, every kurta and dress is that they're not like those regular kurtas or any of that. You know, it has a little कोई ना कोई color monotonous change हो रही है या कुछ है. जैसे for example what I'm wearing, it's very mild, it's not very loud, and the best part is कि इसके अंदर का भी जो कपड़ा है वो अलग है. So it breaks the monotonous of the leaf pattern, and that's I feel for everything. Like I don't know which one to select, but
Which one is your favorite? Another collection. Not this.
apart
This
from
is something different.
yeah, this one is a little different. It's nice. It's vibrant. It's beautiful. It's got that cut shoulder. This is the back. It's just very summery. I feel.
जैसे कि normally गर्मी का मौसम होता है,
हाँ.
being an actor, so what kind of dress you choose while working on the sets?
गर्मी के मौसम में what I personally prefer is always cotton, and I prefer loose clothes because of the weather. and I personally prefer lighter colors like whites or light blues. Because मुझे मेरे ख्याल से अगर आप जितना डार्क पहनोगे आपको उतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी लगना शुरू हो जाएगी. तो yeah, that's what I personally prefer.
If you talk about the brands, which one is your favorite brand you prefer?
Oh, that's a difficult question. I feel that all the brands that I personally wear and I've seen today in the market, I know this is a diplomatic answer, but I feel they're all good in their own way. Because ऐसी कोई brand नहीं है जो मुझे लगता है no, this is my favorite. Because with every season change, with every new collection that they have, कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होता है हर brand में जो मुझे पसंद आ जाता है. So yeah.
अच्छा, being an actor, normally आप कहीं भी आपका paparazzi हो सकता है, कभी भी आपके shots लिए जा सकते हैं. So उस में casual में आप what do you wear?
This is casual. This is me casual. मैंने ना makeup लगाया है, ना कुछ. I've put a little kajal in that, but this is me casual, and this is how I am normally. And I feel ये एक चीज़ हर इंसान पे अलग-अलग सूट होती है क्योंकि सबकी प्रायोरिटीज़ लाइफ में अलग होती है. बट मेरे केस में I personally don't give too much attention to that, तो मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. So I'm always very casual.
फैंस हमेशा अपने आपको फॉलो करते हैं और आप जो करते हैं वो चीज़ को बहुत प्रेफर करते हैं. तो where you go for the shopping of your dresses? What do you have to say to your fans?
I would say कि आप प्लीज़ वहीं पे शॉप करने जाए जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि ऐसे कपड़े हैं जो आप पहनो एंड आप अपने आप को जब आईने में देखो, you just need to feel confident, comfortable and beautiful. When you feel beautiful, that's the right clothes for you, is what I believe in.
अरे जैसे कि आपको पता चला कि ये जो आपका ड्रेस है वो अमृता राव ने डिजाइन किया, तो what do you say to her, अमृता?
I would say thank you very much. I personally love it. It's very comfy, it's very beautiful, it's very me. Thank you.
Okay, final words to your fans about this collection and everything.
I would say that please guys do search about them and do check out their clothes. Please try करिएगा because ये सब बहुत ही अलग unique type के कपड़े हैं. They're all very beautiful, comfortable and very soft material wise. So for summers, they're the perfect thing to wear.
टेंशन